and welcome to Transcending Crochet. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a stacked single crochet. These can be used to replace double crochets at the start of a round. They look a lot nicer than the usual chain 3s or chain 2s at the start of the round that you can use for a double crochet. So for this tutorial, I've already started with the base row of single crochets, just then I've got some stability to show you how to make a stacked single crochet at the start of the next round. So this stacked single crochet will be replacing a double or a chain 3 as a double crochet, and I will show you the difference here. But we're going to start the chain 1, and in that edge stitch we're going to make a single crochet. And then what we are going to do is I'm going to take a very tiny hook to show you where you're going to go next, because this can be a little bit tricky. You're going to go through this loop and then these 2 loops here, like so. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to, if I actually pull this out, I can show you a little bit more slow motion actually. So if I go through here and up, it is through this back loop that's going to be created and this front loop there that's going to be created, like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to push your hook through this front one and then this back one. These can be a little tricky at the start, like that. And as you see, I've got those 2 as a stitch. And what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, pull through, and pull through 2. And that makes a stacked single crochet. And as you'll see, if I do a double crochet next to it, they look very similar, so it's easy to hide your work instead of a chain 3. Because if I just go chain 3 and turn to show you, like chain 3, and then if I do a double crochet in this stitch, you can see that there's big difference in how they look in the end. So I'm going to go over that one last time. I'm just going to pull this out so then I can go through it one last time with you. Is what you're going to do is you're going to chain 1, go into this first stitch and do a single crochet, and then through this loop here you're going to push your hook through, and then through that back loop there you're going to push through that loop and you're going to pull. And it's important that you leave that middle one open because it makes the base look of a double crochet, as you see there. So that is how you make a stacked single crochet, and these can be used in any project. You can use these at the start of like granny squares. Instead of making the chain 2, it'll lead to less gaps. Or if you want to use like in the start of a blanket project, this is also much easier to do your border into, as you see, because then there's like more chain spaces here on the sides, which makes it a lot easier to do borders on as well. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.